What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you through the process of buying and selling sneakers on StockX, a popular marketplace for secondhand sneakers. Understanding how StockX works is essential for sneaker enthusiasts looking to acquire or sell rare and valuable footwear. StockX is an online marketplace and clothing reseller, primarily of sneakers, since November 2020. It has also opened up to electronic products such as game consoles, smartphones, and computer hardware. If you want to buy an item like Snickers, mostly since it's famous for Snickers, make sure that you have prepared enough money because there will be bidding wars when it comes to this side, especially for Snickers. Be careful when you bid because if you win the bid wars, there's no turning back because you can cancel the order in StockX. If you want to sell an item, make sure that your account is verified so that you can access selling items, especially Snickers. StockX provide a unique platform for sneaker enthusiasts to buy and sell sneakers easily. By following the steps, creating an account, browsing, buying, selling, and shipping, you can navigate the marketplace effectively. Remember to stay informed about market trends to make the best buying and selling decisions. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.